Hey everyone, happy, what's today, Friday? It's Friday, yay. All right, so y'all, I'm here. I am trying to get some consistency. Let me try to adjust this a little bit. Okay, y'all, I just watched a really amazing video on YouTube. I really liked her channel. So pretty. All right, so hi, if you're new here, my name is Lauren. I am a mother of 3, and you know, just that kind of explains a lot. But basically, I did a video last week. It was a video that I had done the end of 2022, so bringing in the new year. And so in that video, well, recently I went through and, you know, I'm just trying to pull everything back up, you know, just get everything, not giving up on my wants and dreams. As a mom, if you know, then you know. But as a mom, it's hard because, you know, you want your children to have everything that they want. And sometimes you give up your wants. And if you know me, then you know I'm not one of those people. I just really, I don't give up. So basically, it's something that I want to continue to do videos, and so I'm not giving up on it. And so I pulled out my camera, went through my it wasn't my last footage, but it was one of them, like a complete vlog, like a complete, you know, 18-minute video. It was actually longer than that, but edited down, whatever. So long story short, I watched that video and I felt instantly motivated. Like, okay, so basically in the moment it feels like you're not getting anything done. When I went back and watched that video, I was like, oh my goodness, my goals for last year are met. It encourages me to make new goals for this upcoming new year. So that's why I titled it, oh my gosh, I can't believe that I did this. Like, I can't believe I knew I had done those things, but I did not know that I did not remember those were my goals for last year. And I'll add it in this video. I'll add it in this video of what I said in that other video. So basically just working on budgeting. We did good 2022. We did really good 2022. I mean, we were in a really good spot. And then October of 2022 to December, it was like, and in this moment, because it's new to me, it feels like I just completely went backwards, completely just ruined everything that I worked for last year. But I'm not going to keep that mentality. I'm going to keep the mentality of it's just a minor setback, and I'm not anywhere near where we started in 2022. We did a really good job, and I'm proud of me and my husband and my kids, because, you know, they play a part in that too. So some of my goals for this year is to pay down our credit cards, not necessarily pay them off, because the way that we utilize them, it's not a goal to pay it off, but we do want to pay them down. Christmas was just a few days ago, and New Year's, I don't know, no one ever talks about New Year's costing money, but New Year's costs money too. You gotta get the food, you gotta get the bring in the New Year's things, whether it be snacks, drinks, whatever, party supplies, hats, all that stuff. So New Year's costs money too. Thanksgiving was not too far away ago, and my son's 16th birthday was in October. So we didn't do like horrible, but one of my goals is to pay the balances down, like get them down as close to zero as, you know, would make sense. But basically, 2022, we were really good. You know, we had done really good at paying off our debt and blah, blah, blah. Like, we were in a really good place financially. But, you know, we kind of backslid. And, yeah, we still kind of dealing with that this year, just trying to get everything. If y'all know, you know, things are kind of crazy. And so we were just trying to, like, kind of burdened by that. It feels really good to know that the things that I wanted to do, I still got done. And it's just motivating. So basically that was the whole moral of the video. I'm going to do a new video explaining, hey, I got those things done except for one thing, which is losing 30 pounds, but I have plenty of time and I have been working on it. You know, I'm doing those things. I'm not giving up on those things that I want, that I'm striving for. And so I'm in a really good spot. Good morning, YouTube fam. It's me, Lauren. Out of focus. Let me try to do that. Maybe that'll work. Okay. Still. All right. So it's me, Lauren. I am in my daughter's room this morning. If you haven't been in here before, just go back and look at the videos, and you'll see some clips of her room. But this is my 7-year-old daughter's room. She's about to be 8 in August, and here it is, June. So her room has gotten, I would say, probably not the most slack, but we haven't done too much to her room. So the boys' rooms are decorated and everything, but her room, it's kind of like, I would say, thrown together. It looked good, it looked fine, but it just wasn't like to my liking. So I am gonna go and paint her walls. I'm starting off with painting her walls. I did buy her a few things like comforter sheets, wall decor, shelving, like things like that. So I did get those things, and they'll be coming in through Amazon slowly but surely. We are going to reupholster one of her pieces of furniture for her bedding to be held in. And I'm kind of contemplating on what to do with the dressers. I don't think I'm going to do anything right now, but that would be the main thing that would throw off the room. But otherwise, this room is about to be a gorge. Okay. So the two colors, this color that you see on the wall here is called Lingonberry Punch. Is it Punch? Yeah, Lingonberry Punch. This is by Bear. We got it from Home Depot. The other one that we're going to do is called Flower Pot. So let me show y'all around. Okay. So this is the door, excuse me, this is the door to her room. So that there. And I am going to be painting her bathroom the remaining flower pot color. So, because we got 2 jugs of that. So this wall and this wall are going to be red, or this like burgundy. Is so pretty. Like, it's so pretty, and we just wanted to test it out. I wouldn't say it's showing up kind of red on camera, but it's a deep rust, like burgundy, ruby kind of color. So this is her little window nook. I was going to try to build a window seat. I am going to one day, just not now. This is the only time I have today, from 7 to 10, so just 3 hours. Which I think is good. Shouldn't overwhelm me. Alright, so I'll see y'all. Keep on watching.
Yeah, I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. 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 Reminded of how I met you, tried to catch you falling. Instead I fell off myself and I just can't stop falling. These wings are gonna flap for me if I keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. I don't get like it's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? I just wanna kiss you. Well, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Get like this. No, get like this. Get like this. Yeah, get like it, like it, like it. She loves me not. This bouquet is all I got. I'm dreaming, or could it be a future for you and me? She loves me, I know it's true. Maybe I'm the fool for you. I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Yeah, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Oh, get like this. No, get like this. Yeah, get like this. Get like this.
You watch her video. You should watch my video. And I'm going to show you guys my basketball moves. So I can go between the legs, obviously. Yep. So easy. Did everyone see that?
I long for that feeling